Hello everyone, welcome to Pratha. This is Kavita Koparkar. After a long time, we are going to show a new addition to our printed tussar sarees. Printed tussars is one of our most loved collections, especially in Pratha's exhibitions. So here I am with new designs. Also, before I begin, let me remind you all about our upcoming Rakhi special night live. We are coming live on Facebook as well as Instagram on 29th of July at night around 9:30 p.m. So stay tuned. Make sure you all are online, have your dinner and be ready for a super duper treat of gifting sarees, gifting range sarees right from 1500 to 10,000 rupees. So stay tuned for that. Let's begin with our beautiful tussar. So these are our printed tussar sarees. Each saree is different. These sarees can be worn for any non-wedding kind of an occasion wherein maybe it's a corporate event, an office party, any meeting, any presentation if you're going to be presenting on stage, or for a dinner, lunch, any get together wherein you want to wear something classy, not to bling in terms of the zari net. So yes, this is the first one. These are all new designs. This one has zari butta on it. Very rarely we have zari design with the zari butta or borders in the printed tussars. It has this lovely printed kalamkari style border, and this is the pallu. So this has a zari pallu. This saree comes with this beautiful printed blouse. 11,900 and 13,900. That is the price range of these sarees. If you like any of them, go ahead, take a screenshot and send it to our team on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. Now the next is, like I said, every saree is a different design. Just look at this one. We call this cobalt blue. Here it's a beautiful shade of blue, a very pretty one. This one again has this lovely design, printed design towards the lower border. So it's a similar saree but not exactly same. Just look at this lovely zari pallu. This is the zari pallu, and just look at this beautiful printed blouse. It's a very cute printed blouse that goes with the saree. So yes, this is it. If you like it, go ahead, take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. Now the next one is a very pretty one. So this is a Kora tussar saree. So if you see, it has this beautiful Kora silk with printed tussar in its pallu and the blouse. So this is a different saree. Like I said, it's a Kora silk. Kora silk is it's something like organza or chanderi silk. It has a lighter feel to it. It does not sit as much as the Dupian or the tussar silks. So yes, this is it. Just imagine this saree with this gorgeous printed blouse. If you like this one, please go ahead, take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. I'll show one more color in this. The price of, I think, the price of this saree is around 12,000. Yes. Let me show you the next one. The next one is a bluish grey. It's a very pretty, soothing grey color. So this is the next one. Beautiful saree. Like I said, this is Kora silk with tussar in its pallu and blouse. So the material of the pallu and blouse is entirely different. It's a very, very light saree. It's beautiful bluish grey or greyish blue, whatever we call it. This is the pallu. Very, very pretty pallu design, and this is the blouse. If you like this saree, go ahead, take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. Both these sarees have zari checks on them. I hope the zari checks are visible. I forgot to mention about them. Moving on to the next one. Again, this is entirely printed tussar. Very, very beautiful saree. This is how it looks. It's a completely new print that we have in this particular set of sarees. This is the pallu, a very pretty pallu design, and it comes with a printed blouse. If you like this saree, go ahead, take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. Now this design is very, very different, and I was very hesitant when I actually selected this particular design. This particular saree has a printed panel in the mid section of the saree. It's not on the lower side, not on the higher side, but somehow when you actually drape it, it looks very interesting, very, very nice. So I decided to go for it. I wasn't sure initially, but just look at how gorgeous this looks. So it has this mid section panel in printed tussar, and it has beautiful zari on the rest of the body. Very subtle, very classy, and if you see, it has just continued in the pallu, so there is no block pallu towards the end of the sari. And this is the gorgeous printed blouse. A very, very beautiful sari design. We already sold a few colors in this particular pattern, so yes, this is it. If you like it, please go ahead, take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The last saree of this video is this beautiful green. The design is similar. There is a mid-section panel, however the print is different. This one has this beautiful Madhubani inspired print. It's a nice light green, very pretty one. It's not a pastel green, it's a light leafy green, I would say. Very pretty saree. This is how it looks. It has this beautiful printed pallu, printed blouse. If you like this one, please go ahead, take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. So yes, this was our printed tussars collection. I hope you all enjoyed watching. We have many new sarees lined up for you all. The store is stacked, fully stocked with beautiful festive sarees. I know wedding season is coming up. There are a lot of wedding families who want to shop, whether it is for the bride, for the groom's mom, for the bride's mom, for the entire family. If you want bridesmaid sarees, if you want sarees for gifting, make sure you visit Pratha here at Bhandarkar Road in Pune. And you can also shop online through our website, which is www.prathasarees.com. Thank you. Keep watching.